I was never an auto mechanic or anything. I just had this feeling that I wanted to do it on airplanes. So I would get to touch them every day. Engines, tires, landing gear, everything. And I worked in the hangar at Dallas, Fort Worth. And then I made my goal to be supervisor. Now I'm with Envoy in Austin for almost 6 years now. Next month will be 6 years. I actually resigned from a long-time career that I had to go back to school at 46 to come do aircraft maintenance. It's the best thing I ever did for myself. I do believe, though, that when you get bit by the aviation bug, you just can't leave it. It becomes your passion and the thing that makes you happy when you wake up and go to work every day. If I could change one thing about it, I think that I would like to change some of the stereotypes about aviation, that certain jobs are for females, certain jobs are for men. In this day and age, there's women in just about every field. Who would have thought that there were ladies in aircraft maintenance? I'm living proof that there is. And I'm not the only one at my base. If there are any young ladies out there that want to be in the aircraft maintenance field, if you think it's something that you can do and you like the challenge, you like the weather, and you like being around people to help you be successful, it's a job that one can really grow to love.